Vident i400AU with Mazda BT-50, Airbag, SRS. To view the live data of the Restraint Control Module, also known as SRS or Airbag, on Mazda BT-50 with Vident i400AU, you need to access the module in the control unit. To diagnose all the vehicle models with scan tools, manual vehicle selection is recommended. Select the live data, and the scan tool then scans the sensors to display the available live data. The Restraint Control Module, SRS or Airbag live data can be viewed as a data or a list as well as a graph. Contact us to check which particular scan tool suits your vehicle, depending on the functions you require.